Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Jessem Miter Gauge is probably one of the most essential accessories you can get for your table saw, offering unparalleled accuracy and ease of use for all your woodworking projects, from simple miter cuts to complex joinery. This in-depth review will explore its features, performance, and overall value, helping you decide if it's the right investment for your workshop. Number 5. Fulton Precision Miter Gauge. It boasts a durable aluminum head and a solid steel miter bar, ensuring accuracy and longevity for all your projects. This makes it perfect for various woodworking tasks. With 13 positive stop holes at various angles, including 90, 45, and 30 degrees, achieving the perfect cut is effortless. Simply loosen the knob, adjust, and lock it into place. The 18-inch miter bar fits standard table saw miter slots, and a retaining disc prevents accidental lifting during use. It's designed for compatibility and secure operation. The included aluminum fence provides maximum workpiece support, especially with its 45-degree angled ends. This allows for precise cuts and greater control. The flip stop makes repetitive angled cuts a breeze. Just flip it up and out of the way when not needed. It's a real time saver. 2 sticky-back measuring tapes are included for added convenience, one for left to right and the other for right to left measurements. These small details make a big difference. What we like. It's a budget-friendly option with added workpiece support. If you need accurate angled cuts and don't want to break the bank, this is perfect for you. Its flip stop makes repetitive cuts a breeze, saving you time and effort. Number 4. Kreg KMS 7102 Miter Gauge System. This innovative miter gauge system is designed for precision and ease of use, helping you achieve perfect cuts every time. It comes factory calibrated, ensuring accuracy right out of the box. You'll spend less time adjusting and more time creating. With its brass pin, switching between angles is quick and easy. It's perfect for a variety of woodworking projects. 5 positive stops and a vernier scale allow for adjustments down to 1/10 of a degree. Achieve the exact angle you need with confidence. The swing stop lets you change boards rapidly without losing your settings. It's designed to streamline your workflow. It's a premium tool built to last, helping you bridge the gap between your ideas and the finished product. Experience the Kreg difference. What we like. This miter gauge boasts factory calibration for precision. If you value accuracy and repeatable cuts, this is the one for you. The brass pin allows for quick angle changes, increasing your efficiency. What people say. The self-adhesive rule is metal, so the instructions to use strong scissors or snips is something you should heed. Assembly is simple, straightforward, and quick. It's also very sturdy with none of the deflection that I was concerned might be an issue based on some other reviews. Number 3. Jessem 04301 Stock Guides. Setting up these stock guides is a breeze. Simply twist the clamping knobs to lock them onto the track. The urethane rollers will securely hold your workpiece. Notice the unique 5-degree angle of the rollers. This design steers your wood towards the fence, providing a more secure hold and preventing movement. It can handle stock up to 13/16 of an inch thick. With 3 to 1/8 inches of vertical travel, it offers great versatility. These guides are CNC machined from durable 6000 series aluminum and anodized for a long-lasting, attractive finish. The roller axles are made from hardened steel for durability, and the rollers themselves are made from wear-resistant acetal resin for smooth operation. What we like. These guides offer superior stock control. If you need to ensure your workpiece stays put during cuts, this is a must-have. The angled rollers provide a secure grip, preventing movement and ensuring clean cuts. What people say. The Jessem guides will prevent the material from being allowed to be shot back at you, and this is also an extra form of safety. Not only does it prevent material getting shot back at you, but it will enable you to provide perfect cuts effortlessly every time. These work great and drive the material toward the fence. The manufacturer chose high-quality components and the machining is excellent. Fit and finish are other manufacturers of similar products should strive for. Number 2. Jessem 07150 Mite-R-Excel II. It features 9 miter detents and a spring-loaded indexing pin, ensuring precision at common angles. This makes cutting easier and more accurate than ever before. It boasts an adjustable flip stop, accommodating sacrificial fences up to 3/4 inch thick. This versatile feature adds to its functionality and adaptability. Its fence extends from 20 to 36 inches, perfectly handling larger workpieces. You can now tackle bigger projects with ease and precision. It's designed to fit standard miter slots and includes laser-engraved angle measurements. This ensures compatibility and accuracy across various setups. It's constructed from CNC machined anodized aluminum and Swiss-turned stainless steel parts, along with a Sheffield steel guide bar. This ensures lasting durability and performance. Upgrade your woodworking with this exceptional miter gauge. Experience the difference that superior materials and design can make. What we like. It provides ultimate precision and adjustability. If you need accuracy and versatility for larger projects, this is ideal. The micro adjuster and extended fence allow for precise cuts on larger workpieces. What people say. It is rigid, tight in the slot, reliably zeroed, capable of very fine adjustment, and the build is absolutely bomb-proof versus any of the high-end competitors. Accuracy and repeatability were astounding at less than 0.5 degrees. A lot of thought went into the design of this miter gauge. It is very well built with solid features that make it very easy to use. It is adjustable to the point that there is no side-to-side movement. Number 1. Triden Table Saw Miter Gauge. This innovative miter gauge system is designed to enhance accuracy and efficiency in your woodworking projects. It's compatible with most table saws and router tables. With 27 locking positions, it ensures repetitive precision for even the trickiest angle cuts. Say goodbye to inaccurate measurements. Its sturdy aluminum fence is built to last, extending from 16 inches to a generous 24 inches. It's also tall and thick enough to handle demanding cuts. The included MDF sacrificial fence provides extra support and stability for your workpieces, ensuring clean and precise cuts every time. The flip-up stop makes quick work of batch crosscuts, allowing for consistent lengths. Flip it up and out of the way when not needed. It features a comfortable soft grip knob, quick release mechanism, smooth glide components, and a handy mini handle for easy adjustments. It's designed for comfort and ease of use. The package includes the miter gauge with 27 angle stops, an extension fence kit, MDF sacrificial fences, and the convenient flip stop. Everything you need for precise cuts. What we like. This system offers unmatched versatility and precision for various angles. If you frequently work with a wide range of angles and need a long fence, this is the best choice. The numerous angle stops and extendable fence make it perfect for complex projects. What people say. Really nicely machined and finished. Instructions were easy to follow. Locks into angles easily with no play. Doesn't require tools to adjust any of its normal use functions. Only needs an Allen wrench, included, to be able to adjust the alignment and the fit in the T-slot. I am very impressed and pleasantly surprised by the quality of this miter gauge. No slop, sturdy build quality, good design and features. Well-engineered, adjustable and top-quality miter gauge. Makes multiple same-size angle cuts on a band saw a snap. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.